Hello, and today we're going to do a quick review of the Silvercrest Kitchen Tools electric coffee grinder. And I'm going to be using this not for coffee, but for oats. If you're only looking at this because you want to review the coffee grinder, well, I'm also doing this because I want to grind up oats with it. Long story short, I use them for stuff like making pancakes and whatnot, and putting in shakes, and they're a little heavy on blenders. So it's easier just to put them into oats, depending on how much stuff you're putting into them. So anyway, one of the things recommended for grinding them up is a coffee blender. This is, of course, the Lidl's one. $16.99, I think. Or it could have been cheaper. There we go. Now, okay. We have a plug. Right, always handy to have a plug for an electrical appliance and not to work without them. And very sturdy box. Oh. Yep, that's everything in the box. Now, much smaller and more compact than the box. I hope this cord's actually going to reach. It's actually quite a short cord, and I don't think that will reach. We'll sort some that out in a second, but anyway. Here is the grindy bit, and let's do okay. Unlock grinder bit. So, okay. Is that all to it? I thought there was like a little hopper at the bottom or something. Now. Of course, has a ton of stuff in English and all sorts of other languages. Number 9 is disposal. 15. Okay, hold on. Blade, connector cable, mains, port, switch, unit. Obviously not, so it is just a grind. Now, cleaning, assembly. Okay, assembly, clean device, blah blah blah. Tips and degree of grinding. Degree of grinding depends on the quality of coffee. Briefly grind procedure. Coarse grind coffee. The longer the grind takes, the finer the ground. Espresso beans must be 45 seconds. 7 grams of beans, approximately 1 cup of coffee, 20 grams of espresso. Operating device. Open the lid, remove it for purposes, turn it so that the attachment marked 8 is positioned in A. Fill the desired amount of beans, grinding space 2. Do not fill in more than 50 grams of coffee or espresso beans. Put in lid, opening, grinding, attachment. Space, and you close for purpose of that. Note, if you're on safety, the device can only be started when the lid is positioned correctly. Press this switch, press on. Duration of coffee beans up to max 30 seconds. Duration of espresso mix 40 days. Yep, that's basically pretty much idiot proof. Now, the real question is, can I get this cable to stretch the socket? Oh, we might just make it to a socket. Okay. Now. Oh, we just about made it to a socket. There we go. I kind of didn't want to point the camera over that way because the whole room is a mess now. We're going to open up our oats. Pour a few in. Now. And hope this works because I don't buy coffee beans, so if it doesn't work, it's pretty much null and void. There we go. Are you ready? 2001. Okay, that's pretty much done almost immediately, actually. Okay. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Apart from laying to the cable. So yeah, that is the Silvercrest coffee bean grinder doing porridge oats, which have pretty much come out like flour, which is what I wanted. Perfect. Thanks very much for watching, and click like and subscribe.